Welcome back. In this lecture, I will create a game over system. First, go to the HUD folder inside the blueprint folder and create a game over widget. Write the name WBP game over. Open the game over widget and search canvas panel. Add the background blur widget. And increase the value of 10. Add text widget and align to the top center. Check size to content. Change the font name and its size. Now let's add the vertical box so that align into the center. Check size to content. And add overlay widget. Overlay widget is basically used when you place widget above another widget. For example, I want to place the button and text above the button. So make some adjustment. You can follow the design like me or you can create your own design. I want to text the color keep white and the button background color keep black. Give some bottom padding. Now it's all done. Then you duplicate other buttons to save your time. Just change the name of the text, give some bottom padding to 100 and give the third button bottom padding to 200. Change the text and align button to center and change the button name. and check is variable, so we can implement functionality on this button. If you don't check is variable, then the events will not be shown. So you can check the restart button and check the quit button events. Now let's add the sound when the mouse hover on the button and click on the button. There are pressed and hover sound. Search transition sound cue which comes from the Supergrid assets pack. Yes, it is a good sound for the button. Now attach the sound with all the buttons. Click restart and add the same sound. Click on the quit button to add the same sound. Compile and add the button functionality. Now click on the restart button and click on the plus icon to implement functionality. Drag and search open level by object reference function. Select your level. My level is level 01. Go back to the designer and click on the quit button. Click on the plus icon, drag and search the quit game function. Compile and go to the designer. Click on the canvas panel and click on the animation tab. Select animation and give the name is fade. Click on the fade and click on the track button and select canvas panel. Click plus icon and select render quality and change the value from 0 on the first keyframe and go to 1 second and the value set to 1. Let's go to the event graph. Connect fade play animation with the event construct. Compile and go to the controller class to implement the game over class. Drag and search create widget function. Compile and go to the shooter class. First I need to get a controller class reference so that I can display the game over class after the player dead. Search event begin play and search get player controller. Connect controller reference interface function to the player controller. Then promote the reference variable, give the player controller name. Drag the player controller and get WBP game over variable. Connect add to the viewport function. Compile and play to test it. Yes, it's showing perfectly. My mouse is not working when open the game over widget. Let's fix the mouse click issue. Go to the widget laws and go to the event graph. Search event construct. Search get player controller. Drag and search show mouse cursor boolean. Check this true. Compile and play. My cursor is showing, but when I move the mouse then my screen is also rotating. Let's fix this issue. Click and drag and search game and UI function. Let's compile and play. Yes, it's working perfectly, and as you can see, listen the button sound. Click restart. My mouse is not working. Let's fix this. Go to the shooter class. Drag and search show mouse cursor and uncheck. Now drag and search set mode and select the game only. Let's compile and play. You can listen the button sound. Now press the restart button and check the quit button to quit the game. Now it's working. So that's it in this lecture. See you in the next lecture.